Let me show you how you guys can get ChatGPT Pro for free for students. So this was active like a few years ago, but right now after the recent update, the student can now get ChatGPT Pro for free. Yes, you can get it for a month. You can basically click on upgrade at the top and you can basically try it out for like a month. So I've already used my 1 month free trial, so I don't see, I just see upgrade $5.69. But in your case, you should see like a free trial for 1 month. And as a student, when you're creating a ChatGPT account, make sure you create your account using your student email. So over here, if I click on my 3 line at the top right of the screen, right beside upgrade over here, and once I do this and I click on my profile picture which says O2, I click on it, it shows my email. You can see the email over here. This is not a college or a school email, but if I created my account using a school or a college email, they would have given me a month's free trial. That's the most you can get. All right, so if you have a ChatGPT account, then just create another one using your college or a school email and you will get a 1 month free. That's the only thing you can do. For other than that, you have to pay for ChatGPT, but it's going to be a bit cheaper for students and college student in compared to normal people. So that's the only thing you can do. You cannot get it entirely for free. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.